Welcome to the Fix-It Shed. If you enjoy saving money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. So you may remember in the last video that I made about my NOMA snowblower, the auger would continue to turn even after I released the auger drive lever. So I thought maybe we'd take a look at it today. So step number one, we want to get this cover off so that we can look at the belts again. So we're interested in this red belt and this pulley. So when you engage the auger, that pulley puts tension on the belt so that it spins, and when you let off, it looks like it could probably let off a little bit more. But you can see the spring right here. This is the brake, right? So when this pulley goes out, then this brake is able to drop down and rub against the pulley. When this pulley is pushed in, you can see it lifts up the brake. Everything looks like that. Everything that's supposed to be there looks like it is there. It just looks like things aren't moving very freely. So I'm gonna try and lubricate things and see if they move a little bit better. So the auger does now stop when you release the auger drive lever, so I'm going to call that a success. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, and thanks for watching. Take care.